Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Look, my new toy car. Wow. That looks awesome. Mom, can I play outside with my car?
You can play outside, but be careful. Listen to your friends.
I promise, Mom.
Loving this, Mom.
Your hands must do what you promise.
I'm going. Is Tom coming?
I think so. Let's play together. Yeah. This will be fun.
Can I hold it? Sure.
Look how fast it goes!
It's my turn now. This wheel looks interesting. Be careful with it. Let me see. Wait! Uh-oh. Something's wrong. No. Oh no. The ground is too rough. My car. You always break things. I didn't mean to.
Let's go.
Tom? What happened?
The wheel broke.
I touched the car first. Who pulled the car? Give it back, it's mine. No, let go. I want it now. Let me see. Ben pulled it hard.
Think carefully from the beginning.
Wait.
Truth can feel heavy, but it matters.
Truth can feel heavy, but it matters.
I need to tell the truth. I'm gonna fix it. Guys? Why did you leave? I just want to tell the truth. Wait. I pulled it first. What? Really? I didn't mean to break it. I blamed you unfairly. Sorry. Let's check it. Then, the audio concludes with the continuation of the peaceful ambient garden sounds. The axle is loose.
We can fix this together.
Really?
Hold it here. It worked. Let's see. It's working.
Thanks, guys. I'm sorry, too.
It's okay. We're friends.